How to fix Ecobee Doorbell not working. Step number 1. Check the power connection. For that, make sure your Ecobee Doorbell is securely wired at both the chime and the transformer. If they are connected, then inspect your Wi-Fi. Ensure your internet signal is strong and stable since weak Wi-Fi can cause connection or video issues. Then update firmware. Open the Ecobee app and check for any available updates for your doorbell to fix bugs or improve performance. Then restart devices. Reboot your router and doorbell by unplugging them for about 10 seconds, then reconnect. Verify voltage. Make sure your transformer provides the correct voltage, typically between 16 to 24 volts. You can also factory reset if required. If nothing works, reset your doorbell to factory settings and set it up again in the application.